Broadcom has benefited massively from the data center build out. They also provide chips that go into the data center. I don't consider Broadcom as advanced as NVIDIA. I think NVIDIA's GPU, everybody wants it. Broadcom does have lesser cost chips that go into that data center, and their revenues have grown quite nicely. They've also grown through acquisition, which in my book is not as good. But credit to them, they acquired a business that is in the data center in VMware. Their market cap is 1.4 trillion, and their PE is the highest of the big companies that we've seen, 108 in the current year. That's very high. Forward P is 40 as well. Analysts think it's a little too overpriced, but it's a strong buy. It's gone up nicely year to date. For the 1 year, it's up 88%, and the 5 year, 762. The business is growing nicely, 33% on a pretty tall number. And when we look at the quarterly, the growth rate is dropping down to 20%. So I think investors will be keeping an eye on that annual growth, which will impact their expectations going forward. This stock's covered by many, and some analysts believe that it's way overpriced. Some believe that it's still got more room to go upside. When we look at a forecast for the revenues, it's expected that they continue to grow nicely. We'll see if that happens. This is very good growth, and it's not going to come down as steeply as the NVIDIA growth rate is expected to come down. Their profits are supposed to expand quite well. That looks really good. And that should lower their PE. If they do hit this forecast, it's going to look good for them. Broadcom is priced way too high. I actually think the stock is priced 49% too high when I compare the intrinsic value of the business based on cash flows and earnings per share and provide the valuation. This is much too high for me to invest. I owned my Broadcom and took a gain, but sold out of the stock when I thought that it had just gotten too high, and continue to feel that I'm not seeing how this stock is ever going to grow into the valuation that they're currently priced at. I think a lot of investors wanted to be in a semiconductor stock and bought into Broadcom. We'll see how this stock does over the next 2 to 3 years.